Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that has stood the test of time, the Hawkins 4-liter Classic Pressure Cooker, also known as the CL40. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes this pressure cooker a standout choice in the kitchen. The Hawkins CL40 is designed for families or groups, making it ideal for 4 to 6 persons. Whether you're cooking for your family or hosting friends, this cooker has the capacity to meet your needs. One of the standout features of the Hawkins CL40 is its construction. Made from pure virgin aluminum, it not only ensures durability but also promotes even heat distribution. The exterior boasts a mirror-polished finish, giving it a sleek look that will complement any kitchen decor. The base thickness ranges from 3.25 to 4.06 millimeters, which contributes to its sturdy design and helps prevent warping over time. Another noteworthy aspect is the improved pressure regulator that the Hawkins CL40 incorporates. This feature is designed to save fuel, making it an eco-friendly option for those conscious about energy consumption. With this cooker, you can enjoy the benefits of faster cooking times while being kinder to the environment. So, who is this pressure cooker suitable for? If you're a busy professional, a parent juggling multiple responsibilities, or someone who simply loves to cook, the Hawkins CL40 is perfect for you. It streamlines meal preparation, allowing you to whip up delicious dishes in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional cooking methods. Now, let's explore some practical use cases for the Hawkins CL40. Imagine coming home after a long day at work. You can throw in some lentils, vegetables, and spices, lock the lid, and let the pressure cooker do its magic. Within minutes, you'll have a hearty dal ready to enjoy. Or perhaps you want to prepare a comforting chicken curry for dinner. The pressure cooker significantly reduces the cooking time, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully while tenderizing the meat. For those who enjoy meal prepping, the Hawkins CL40 is a game changer. You can batch cook grains or legumes and store them in the fridge for quick meals throughout the week. It's also great for cooking soups and stews, ensuring that they're not only flavorful but also ready in a fraction of the time compared to traditional stovetop cooking. One of the things people often overlook when choosing a pressure cooker is the safety features. The Hawkins CL40 takes safety seriously. It comes equipped with a safety valve and a sturdy inner lid that prevents any accidental spills. So, you can cook with peace of mind, knowing that you are using a well-designed, reliable kitchen appliance. In summary, the Hawkins 4-liter Classic Pressure Cooker is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. With its durable construction, energy-saving features, and practical size, it's an excellent choice for both novice and experienced cooks alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.